sharing with y'all how I got my hair like this. As y'all can see, I am standing outside on my balcony in my apartment or whatnot. But yeah, so this is how I got my hair, using the Creme of Nature shampoo, conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, and the foaming mousse. And this is just how I got my hair to stay like this. I like it, to be honest. I like it better than the Nada body or whatnot. So I ain't gonna talk so long, so to keep this intro short, just watch the video. Alright, so after I deep condition my hair, rinse it out, I just put my Frizz Buster on my hair for my frizz. And off camera I did do my hair mayonnaise and my deep condition. So right now I'm just spraying the leave-in conditioner in my hair, spraying it all throughout and thoroughly, making sure I get my ends so my hair will have some type of moisture to it. So then I just gently comb all that through. The clips are in fast motion, so it may look like I'm being rough with my hair, but I'm not. I'm just gently combing it through. And I am due for a relaxer soon. I probably won't do my relaxer until August. So we'll see if I can last. So then I take the mousse, but first I part my hair in 4 sections, and then I take the mousse and just put it over one section, and then I split my hair, put it up, and put just a tad bit mousse on it just in case I didn't get it all. Put sulfate on my scalp, and then I just brush, and then I get to rolling. And I found that it was easy for me to part my hair in 4 sections and do a section at a time. So all I had to do was just part my hair in half and then just roll. This clip, my camera, I had to remove some space from my camera, so I kind of worked off camera, and I found that it was much easier for me. I didn't struggle or anything having to roll them on there, and I didn't have a hard time getting all the hair on there too. So it was much easier for me to part my hair in 4 sections, put the mousse on a section at a time, split it, put more mousse on the ends, and then roll. I know that sound like a lot, but this way is so much easier. So I will be doing my perm rods this way. And then off camera I just fixed the ones that were loose. I don't know how many that I used, but I used a lot. So in this clip, I removed the rollers, and I'm just separating my hair. This one side separated and fluffed out, and all I have to do is the other side. So that's one side and then the other side. And I just separate my hair. Instead of me separating my hair like in half, I found that if I separate them about 3-4 times, it'll be pretty, and it looked it a lot better than any of my other curls that I've done. And off camera, I did spray the argan oil oil sheen hairspray on there, and the drying time did take about 2 hours. So after the drying, then I sprayed it, put my bonnet on, went to sleep, and then I just removed them and did that. Now this is all of the curls separated, fluffed out, so I'm just going through to see how I want to style my hair and if any other curls need to be separated. So I'm just kind of playing in my hair, just to see how I like it, fluffing out my curls a little bit. I'm trying to see if I want to put my hair up or not. I'm still trying to learn how to do that. Some of my curls needed to be separated more, but I actually do like this, the curls better than the lot of body that I did the last time. And to be honest, like, my curls like actually lasted. But I like it though, so next time I do it, I will be doing it this way, and I will be doing my hair like this again. Same process and everything. So that is pretty much it for this hairstyle. Hope you guys like it. Alright, so that's pretty much how I got my hair like this. Like I said, I really do like it. When I got home from the mall or whatnot this morning, I didn't feel like re-rolling my hair up, so I put my bonnet on and went to sleep. And as you can see, I think it was this side or whatnot got like smushed or whatnot. But I just took the bonnet off and just kind of like fluffed my hair or whatnot to get it like this. But it is frizzy or whatnot. But I'm finna go inside. I just got back from out to eat and stuff, so I'm finna go back inside and just re-roll my hair up. I probably won't put nothing on it because I want to keep the shape and the, I guess you'll say, definition of the curls or whatnot. But yeah, so that is pretty much of how I got my hair like this. I apologize if like it's noisy or whatnot because cars are rolling past or whatnot. But as usual, subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, you know, all that good stuff, whatnot. I'm trying to keep this introduction and the outro real short. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Say hey.
Hello. Hey, it's not taking pictures. You recording. Sticky.
So we just left Old Navy. We're at the mall.
At the mall.
And that is Babe. Say hello to you too.
Hello to you too.
So yeah, we are leaving the mall now. I got my flip flops and stuff. Yeah, I bought me 2 shirts that was like $3.49. Ain't that good?
Ain't that good?
Stop mocking me.
Stop mocking me.
To all you YouTubers out there, if you got a boyfriend, smack his ass in. Stop. Alright, so then we're about to go to Walmart because somebody needs socks. If y'all can see his socks right now. So yeah, so I will talk to you guys later.